This will be a brief overview of how to access and use the eBook Academic Collection. Off-campus users, please note that you will have to log in and use your first and last name with no spaces, which is your username, as well as your password, before you'll be able to access any databases from off-campus. On the main library page, click on Books, Video, and Audio. Then choose eBook Academic Collection. This brings you to the landing page for the eBook collection. You may be prompted to sign in and create a free MyEBSCO account. You don't need to do this in order to scan and download individual chapters, which is what we'll be doing today. However, if you choose to do that, you will be able to save research projects to your dashboard and with a couple of additional steps, download entire ebooks. However, when you're doing research, it's usually recommended that you use books strategically and look at individual chapters for research purposes rather than reading a book cover to cover. Enter your search term. This brings you to a list of different books that have your search term in it. They're organized by relevance and show 10 at a time, but these can be changed. You can scroll through the books, and when you see a book that looks interesting, click on the title, and then scroll down to the description. And reading the description is usually enough to know whether or not the book will help you for your topic. Then you can look on the right-hand side and scan the individual chapters. When you see a specific chapter that you like, click on the title, and then you are in the actual chapter. Now, there's several ways you can look at this chapter. You can read it online, or you can also have it read to you using the text-to-speech tool on the upper right-hand side. Another way is to download the chapter. When you click on the download button, you will be prompted with publisher page limits. Each book in the ebook collection will have a different set page limit. This particular publisher will allow you to download up to 50 pages in this book. Other helpful tools include the Share tool, where you can create a link and copy that into another Word document. This is the simplest way to access the ebook collection again, rather than copying the URL on top, which can sometimes not be stable. There's also an ability to get the citation for this particular book. Simply look at the citation style, choose the one that is indicated by your professor, and copy and paste it again into a Word document. Finally, you can use the search tool and search within the contents of the book for a specific term. We'll do a search term right now. And you can see that there's only one area that lists our search term. But it can be a helpful way to access and analyze different aspects of the book. If you have any questions about how to use the ebook collection, please don't hesitate to contact the library front desk.